Hi, my name is Erin. I own Wildflowers Salon. Our cameraman's name is Dave, and he owns the Optical Alchemist Photography Studio. And together, we're the Optical Wildflowers. This is our YouTube channel. And I have a special guest here with me today. What's your name?
A-M-L-M-M-P.
Yep.
Buzz.
Buzz. And today, me and Buzz are super excited because we got our hands on the new Jeffree Star palettes. It's going to be so fun. Are you ready to open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm opening.
Pull this down. So let's open this up. Ooh. And this is from Beautylish, not Jeffree Star's actual website. So it's packaged a little differently. It doesn't have the pink box, but this looks gorgeous. What do you think, Buzz? Ooh, what do you think? Do you like it? It looks so pretty already. The classic Jeffree Star tissue paper. And if you've ordered from him before, you know he's so extra, and we love it. We live for it. Let's take it open and see what is underneath. The wrapper, and we got some samples from Beautylish. Nice little extra bubble wrap. What's under the bubble wrap? Let's see. Are you going to take it home?
The bubble wrap.
The bubble wrap is so good. And what's this?
That's makeup.
It's a makeup. It's the new Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. We are so excited. And Buzz here is going to be my makeup artist for the day. But first, let's open this up and see what it looks like inside.
I got bubble wrap.
You got bubble wrap? Here, put it in there so we could take it home. So, once you open it, oh my gosh. Look at that. Do you like it?
I do.
Oh, I am so excited for this. Is these little bumpers on the inside of the box. And that's great. It helps the eyeshadows not break during shipping.
1, 2, 3,
and
4, 5.
When we open it, we have the little plastic protector.
1, 2, 3.
And then we have all those pretty colors. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
And obviously, this just makes our studio complete. It matches our curtain. It's right at home. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Should we do some swatches?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to do the first two. It's Your Majesty and Take the Crown. So Your Majesty is one of the white colors. If you are familiar with buying Jeffree's palettes, you know every single one always starts off with a white. And they're all always a little bit different. I should probably swatch them on my hands. Do you want to try?
Yeah.
Be very gentle. And, oh my gosh. So this is Take the Crown.
I like black.
You like the black one?
Mm-hmm.
Try it. And, oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. The way Jeffree thinks about the way his shadows reflect with his metallics, it's just amazing.
I like the purple one.
The purple one? Which one?
That one.
So next is Deviant. This is a matte shade. And it's a beautiful lavender. Now with Jeffree's vegan formulas, the purples are a little bit harder to
1, 2, 3, 4.
formulate. So it's going to be interesting. I'm curious about some of these and how they'll swatch. So next we have Beauty Sleep. Oh my gosh, I'm excited for this because it's kind of pink. And oh my gosh, that's just a gorgeous pink with gold reflex. And then we have Wet Jewel. What do you have?
I have a rainbow one.
Oh, I love it. Next we have Wet Jewel. And I think this is one of his new formulas. It feels very wet too. It really, oh my gosh, that's a really amazing formula. I would think that if you dipped into those ones with a wet brush, it would pop so crazy. And we have Royal Pain. This is another matte shade.
And this is a heart.
And that one has a heart.
Like a heart.
So that's Royal Pain, a nice matte. It's beautiful, kind of peachy. And then we have Dungeon, which is a dark plum matte shade. Ooh, do you like that? That one's super pretty.
That one's super pretty, look.
You like it? Let me see. Oh my gosh, that one is really pretty. Ooh, that's coming up soon. So this is Scandal Water.
Okay.
It's a gorgeous
color.
Blue matte shade. And Sworn Enemy is next. And I think this is another new formula. Again, it feels very wet. And oh my gosh. That just looks amazing.
That's
Do you like it?
Cool. It's cool.
Yeah. And then Pink Magic is next. Hey, be gentle with makeup. Right?
That one's cool.
You like that one? Pink Magic is another new one. So again, it just feels, it feels like his new highlighters, pretty much. And I think I just found my favorite shade in the palette.
Oh, that's my favorite one.
Which one's your favorite?
That.
Dungeon is Aiden's favorite, or Buzz Lightyear's favorite.
Dungeon.
You like the Dungeon one? Next we have Bleeding Heart, which I'm so excited to see. It's so nice how this red just pulls this whole entire palette all together. So it looks a lot more sparkly in the pan, but I'm still impressed. I love a good red eyeshadow. And then we have Executioner, which I'm also excited. This looks in the pan like a black with a purple reflect. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, you're so
I love that.
I love that. True.
You're doing such a good job, Betty.
I like. Oh.
And then we have High King. So this is the second to last row. High King looks like a nice purple matte. And I think that feels great for being vegan. It does feel a little bit different than his other matte formulas, but it is hard to make a good purple vegan eyeshadow. And it looks great. I'm curious of how it's going to wear like throughout the day. Maybe we'll update you guys about that later with another video. Next we have Vivid Mood. And it looks like a fantastic lavender.
I like to have pink.
And I'm going to move to my other hand now. So we have what looks like a really good transition shade, Monarchy. It's kind of like a twop. How do you say that? I don't know. But it's like that light brown kind of blonde color, very nude. That would be such a good transition color. Okay, now this one looks amazing. This is Blood Queen. It looks amazing in the pan. It's a deep, deep purple. And let's see how it feels. It feels a little more dry than his other mattes, but again, with the purple thing, that's kind of hard. So we're gonna go right next to Monarchy. And that pigment it kills me. That looks amazing.
Look at my rainbow.
I love your rainbow. Okay, next we have Vile Serpent, which is like a deep turquoise. A deep turquoise.
I want that one. That's the sweet one.
Try it. I
Oh,
love
it's so
that.
soft.
It does feel, these two feel, Vile Serpent and Blood Queen are a little bit more dry than his normal mattes, but I think that's due to the vegan formula, which you can sacrifice a little bit of quality to be cruelty free. I think that's fine. It's still very pigmented, and I think if you built it up, it would be amazing.
Let's get that enough.
And then we have the last shade, Betrayal.
You like my rainbow?
And
Rainbow.
oh my gosh.
Oh gosh,
I don't know about you guys, but I think that's gorgeous. All right. What do you think, honey? What do you think? Do you like it?
I like that one.
Yeah, that one's really cool. Well, do you want to try to do my makeup? Here's some brushes.
Brushes?
Yeah. Do the brushes, and you can do on Mommy's eyes. And let's have some fun. What do you think you're going to go for?
The rainbow.
A rainbow.
Yeah.
That's exciting. And I have more brushes for you if you want to try anything else.
Purple.
Ooh, yes. It's okay.
Okay, that's enough.
That's enough. Do you want a new brush?
Yeah, I need a new brush here.
Here, you
Yeah,
can
but yeah.
pick whichever one.
That one.
Okay. You remember to be very gentle. This one. He has a very good technique, this Buzz Lightyear.
Close your eye.
Okay, I'm closing it. Be very gentle.
Okay, I got that one.
That's good. You don't need a lot, okay?
Okay. Oops, wipe your face.
Oh, it's okay, honey. We can clean it up.
Wait, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Okay, I made Mommy's hair.
Yeah, are you done already?
No?
No.
I like that one. Purple.
Be very gentle, because you don't need a lot.
You don't need that. Okay, guys.
I'm so excited to see.
Okay. Brush to that
Do you want a new brush?
one.
Gentle, gentle. Good job.
Can I count?
Yeah.
Whenever I.
Oh, this one?
This is cool.
Is it really cool?
Yeah.
You're doing so good.
Yeah. Close your eyes. Open
Okay.
our eyes.
Open?
Look.
Do you like it? Are
Close
we
your
done?
eyes.
Oh,
We're done.
very gentle. You're doing so good.
We're going to that.
Ooh,
A
I
green
knew
one.
you would use the green one.
My green one is favorite one.
That's your favorite? Ooh, are you drawing on my face too?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
A princess one.
The princess one, the
Yeah,
blood queen.
The blood queen. Yeah. I love the blood queen.
Yeah.
This is the one.
On
of
this
blood.
side?
This is the blood one.
Okay.
Oh, that one's a blood one. That one's a blood one.
I'm so excited to see this.
Close your
Gentle.
eyes.
Be very gentle.
Close your eyes.
Okay, you better be being gentle.
You're so brave, Mommy.
What?
You're so brave, you are.
What?
The heart one.
All right.
That's a video. That's a video.
That's our video?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's cool.
I
All
had a
right.
cup one.
Let's do 2 more colors, okay?
Okay, that's enough. Okay, I have that black one.
Okay, this is the last color.
That one's just my favorite one.
Do it on this side.
Realize?
All right, I think we're done. I gotta go check it out, and I'm going to put some mascara on and make it a whole look, and I will be
I'm not done
right
yet.
back. Hi, we are back. I just threw on a nude lip and some mascara to complete Aiden or Buzz Lightyear's magical look. And I love it so much. I don't know.
I love it.
What do you guys think? What do you think?
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Look at it. You didn't even see it.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching again. If you want me to do a tutorial by me with this palette, just comment down below. I would love to do that because honestly, this is gorgeous. I think it's my favorite Jeffree palette so far, and I collect them. So we have a lot, don't we? We have a lot. All right. Well, until next time, guys, have a great day. And if you feel it in your heart, please like and subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Thank you. Say bye.
Bye.